Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our comparison review, and this time we are going to compare one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market. What we have here is the T800 Ultra smartwatch compared with one of the best and premium smartwatch, Watch Ultra Clone, premium Watch Ultra Clone in the market. We have the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to compare, okay, the design as well as the features available in these smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding the video, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are all set. Our smartwatch here are ready. Okay, so we have here this one. We have the T800 Ultra smartwatch, and the other one we have the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. Again, so this is the packaging. Okay, before that, the DT8 Ultra smartwatch, it is using the Wear Pro Support App, while for the T800 Ultra smartwatch, it is using the iWatch Pro app. Okay, so let's set this box, okay, here. Okay, let's focus on these two wearable. Okay, so let's, okay, compare it side by side. As you can see here, the DT8 Ultra smartwatch do have a much bigger design. It is a 49mm smartwatch, while the T800 Ultra is in the 45mm zone. Okay, so there's a very obvious difference on the size here, as you can see. Okay, so let me change the watch face for this one. Okay, I think the watch face is locked, so let's go to the watch face section there, so we can, okay, see the border or the black border here. Okay, do we have a much lighter color here? Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so this is your T800 Ultra smartwatch, and we have the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, but as you can see here, the DT800 Ultra do have a much slimmer bezel. Okay, so here on the crown button, there's a very huge difference on the crown button here, as you can see. Okay, so the other one is much smaller for the T800, while for the DT8, very big crown button as well as the pill shaped button. Okay, different design also for this one. Okay, on the other side, the grill shape, the grill speaker, and the action button here. Okay, very different. Okay, here on the T800 seems like the speaker button, the hole for the speaker is on the bottom part only, while for the DT8, okay, all of the holes here is, I think, working. Okay, for the orange button here, as you can see, the bezel and the black border, you can, okay, you can see the difference. Okay, again, let's check here. Okay, at the back, let me check. Okay, so the same color here, but this one, it is using the force fitting, okay, to attach the strap, while for the DT800, it has a lock strap. Okay, so it looks premium and much better when it comes to locking the strap in place. Okay, you see it here. Okay, so going back to the smartwatch, Okay, of course, with a small design, it is much lighter. Okay, let me check. So let's see. Let me show you the evidence here. Is it really much lighter? Let's see. Okay, we have 53.90. While for this one, let's see, we have a 64.06 grams. Okay, so there's a very huge difference when it comes to weight. If you have a small wrist, of course you go to a 45 millimeter, but if you want a 1:1 ratio and a much bigger body frame, go for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch and other similar 49mm watch Ultra clone. Okay, so when it comes to usage and the placement of menus and functions, let's see. On top here, so we have the notification. Here, we have the quick settings. Okay, so there's a difference on the bottom part. So that is the quick settings for the D800 Ultra, while for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch, let me see, so it is the menus and the different functions again. Okay, from left to right we'll see. Okay, so it's all about watch faces here. Okay, so there's no lock for the watch faces. Okay, while for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch, so the important or the okay functions, different functions available in the smartwatch. Okay, on the other side we have the split screen menu. Okay, so here you can use the crown button, okay, to cycle through different watch faces, while for the T800 Ultra Smartwatch, let's see, okay, the same function. For the action button, let me press. Okay, sports function. How about here? Okay, the same sport function. Okay, so for this one, the pill shape button, I think it's just the return button. The same with this one. Okay, so this one can serve as a return button also. Okay, as you can see, and also works as a window or card. Okay, navigation. Okay, for the smartwatch. Okay, run back. Long press for the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. It shows the power off and the SOS. Okay, while here for the T800, let's see. Oh, power off. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, so let's check on the different functions offered in this smartwatch. Okay, so here, press the button first. Okay, and as you can see here, we have phone, dialer in the other side, messages, contacts, fitness data, sports. Okay, later on the sports, we're going to check for the HR. Let's see, blood pressure. Okay, so different layout. Okay, going back. Okay, we have ECG here for the DT8, also blood pressure. Okay, so they almost have the same features here. Okay, but more features is added in the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch. Of course, it also comes with a much higher price. We also have voice assistant, and that's it for the T800. Somewhat limited. Okay, let's see here. We have a lot of features available in the DT8 Ultra. We have breath training, lady assistance, menu styles. Okay, menu style here we have at least 5. menu styles here. You have at least 11. Countdown, games, settings. Okay, more. So these are the settings. So there's a lot of options for the DT8 Ultra. What about the sports functions? Okay, just press also here. Oh, and come back. So here are the sports: walking, running, okay, strength training, basketball, volleyball, free training, elliptical. So they almost have the same sports offering. Okay, the T800 and the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. And come back, press, okay, walking or running. So different layout. Okay, so if you want to check the specs, just search or visit our website at smartwatchspecifications.com. Again, the support app for the T800 Ultra is the HiWatch Pro, while for the DT8 Ultra, it is the Wear Pro support app. Okay, again, let's check it side by side. Look at the size difference. Okay, so now that you see the difference between the 45mm and the 49mm, it's up to you to decide whether what watch ultra clone you are going to buy or pick. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these two smart watches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.